Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of things that you can do to save more money in 2022 as a student. This video is not only relevant for 2022, I think it's going to stay relevant even after 2022. Everybody needs money. We all need money. Even the people who already have money want more money, right? So this video I'm going to share with you the Smart Student edition on how to save more money. One of the reasons why people get into money problems is because they fail to plan. Create a budget, a monthly budget at best, right? And once you create this budget the first time, try to make it as realistic and as applicable and as easy as possible. Allocate funds for things that you know that you typically spend money on every month. So if you're owing people, if you're owing your friends or your family members, or you're owing the bank, try to work towards paying off all your debts in due time, because once you're done paying your debt, then you have the money for yourself and you can use this money to your own advantage. Third tip is to work. Need I say more? You need to work to make money, right? It does not matter if it's remote work or if it's if you're working as a freelancer or you're working part-time because of your studies or you're working full-time. Whatever it is, you need to work. And there are a lot of opportunities online now. You can be a freelancer on Upwork or on Fiverr or on Freelancer as well. So these are platforms where you can offer your services online. You might say, oh, I don't have anything to offer. I'm pretty sure you have a skill that someone is looking to pay for. Try to look for a skill that you can offer that is marketable, and if not, dedicate the next 6 months to learn something that you think would make you much more marketable. Sell used things. I am an advocate for selling things that you do not need anymore. I make use of Facebook Marketplace and eBay Kleinanzeigen because I'm in Germany, and a lot of people who live in Germany use eBay Classifieds, also known as eBay Kleinanzeigen, and also Facebook Marketplace. I think Facebook Marketplace is much more global, and if you have, for example, clothes that you do not wear anymore, you can check out Spock or Vinted. You have a couple of furniture, appliances, electronics that you've not used in a couple of months. You might want to consider selling these on Facebook Marketplace, for example, or any other websites that you have in your country. One rule that I read somewhere was that if you cannot afford to buy that item twice, then you cannot afford it. So for example, if you want to buy a pair of shoes and that pair of shoes costs 30 euros, if you cannot buy 2 of those shoes, if you do not have 60 euros to comfortably buy this item, then you probably should not be buying it. You need to be careful about how you splurge. I believe that it's not really about the things you acquire, but about the experiences that you have. If it's something you do not need, if it's something that you can do without, then just use it for experiences. So spend money on experiences as opposed to things that would maybe spoil or get damaged over time, because it's your experience. Once you experience it, nobody can take that away from you. I mean, that is what I think, at least. Where you shop. So for example, I personally shop at discount stores. I shop at shops that are available here, for example, like Aldi, Lidl, and Netto. Because if you compare the prices of the items that you buy, groceries, you realize that they are much cheaper in comparison to other high-end stores. I suggest you check out ways you can cut costs when it comes to grocery shopping. So when all is said and done and you're able to accumulate a couple of euros here and there, or dollars if you're in US and you're watching this, right? So if you have a savings account, try to put this money in there. Do not use this money to buy something else, but I'll suggest you make the money work for you. This is the end of my video. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That would give me visibility. And also write your comments down in the comment section below and let me know the kind of content that you'd like to see. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week. Bye.